How to floss around a crown. Oral hygiene tips. No one can argue the importance of flossing. Whether you use traditional methods such as string floss or floss picks, or even the most advanced piece of tech such as water flossers. We get fillings, root canals, teeth removed, and of course, crowns and bridges, which is why it is important to update our flossing technique and learn how to floss around the crown the right way. Correcting the myth about dental crowns. First things first, you have to remove the idea that since crowns are artificial, they don't need proper care, maintenance, and hygiene. Crowns cause as much problems as natural teeth and need to be very well cared for as you would your other teeth, and sometimes even more so. How dental crowns are made. When the crowns is returned to the dentist, they make final adjustments and the crown is cemented in place. There are three materials from which a dental crown could be made: metal, porcelain, zirconium. Brushing dental crowns. The principle is to treat dental crowns as natural teeth, so brush accordingly. How do you floss a crown? The correct way is to insert the string as normal, but after you clean, pull it outward instead of upward. How to floss multiple crowns. If you placed multiple separate crowns adjacent to each other, their contact points are much stronger than natural teeth, making it very hard to pass the string between them, which is why, more often than not, you would need a different method of flossing, such as interdental brushes or water flossers. Flossing with bridges. String floss will not work as well as most other methods, except of course for water flossers, which are made exactly for situations like this and are more than capable of cleaning those impossible areas under bridges and crowns with extreme efficiency. How to care for your dental crown. Answered. Dental checkups should be a regular part of your health, and it becomes an absolute necessity when you receive a large restoration such as crowns and bridges. For more information on how to manage your oral health, visit our website www.waterflosserguide.com.